and welcome to this channel. Thank you for clicking to watch this video. You can call me just Maruza, and let me say I appreciate a lot because since I started reposting, I have seen we have increased in the number of subscribers. Now if you've not subscribed, is your chance to do so. Just subscribe, remember to like this video, remember also to leave your comment. I have been receiving new comments on my videos, and I am so much grateful when I get a positive feedback and to know that there's someone who likes my vibe and my videos. I truly appreciate because it's a lot of work that goes into it. Yes. Now on today's video, I want you to enjoy. Please again remember, if you've not subscribed, subscribe, like and comment. I'll see you later. So here guys, I decided to show you just a sneak peek of how my village looks like. I was on my way to work. I was having a workshop going on, so I was walking to the stage, and wow, when the sun is up plus the greenery, the ambience is just wow. So here it is, and this is also for people who come from my place. At least muone kidogo ya kwenye mmetoka. Remember to subscribe. So from my previous video, I said I was to bake a cake for my birthday, and as I was doing the small shopping haul, I got to show you some of the things I bought to aid into when it comes to baking the cake. Now this is it. I'm just doing things like fogadari, just mixing everything together. This was supposed to be a lemon chocolate cake. I didn't follow procedure, but wow, the cake was so tasty. I won't lie. By the time I was done with this cake, I don't even know. We just shared the cake with my neighbors, and voila. The story ikaishia hapo. I shared the cake. This was in the evening, so I shared the cake in the morning, early in the morning, and I had an early morning. I didn't even have time to film when I was like even cutting the cake and everything. So but I was lucky to film the procedure because I was baking using a jiko. I was doing the traditional way of baking, so I used a jiko. And like, let me tell you, if you do it this way, it will still work for you even if you're baking using an oven. Remember to set the temperatures at 180 degrees, bake, preheat for the first 15 minutes and then bake for 45 minutes, and voila, you got your cake. So before I forget, if you want to know the ingredients and the exact measurements that I used for this cake, I promise you it's gonna taste good. It is in the description box. I always leave it there. So go and check my description box. You will get the whole recipe and the procedure there. So right now, as you can see, I'm using a jiko. It's in the evening, by the way, but it looks like it's daytime. Make sure that you leave a little bit of burning charcoal in the jiko, and then most of the hot coal, place it on top of the lid. I didn't have a good lid because the one that I have, the one that looks bigger, as you can see there too, has a small hole, so I had to place another one on it. So but you can use one that fits really well. And there's also another method where you first heat sand or heat salt. We are gonna do a video. In case you want such a video, tell me and I will do it for you so that you can get the right procedure. So I'm just done covering books. These are for my baby girl. She's joining school, so these are 2 books, her pencils and her sharpeners and her rubbers. And these are for my baby boy. These are 14 books. You can see them, 14 of them, 14. 2 rubbers, 2 sharpeners, 3 pencils, which I'm praying to God all this will not be lost within the first week. So that's what I've been doing this morning as I was watching the Jamhuri Day proceedings. So sijui kama nyinyi mmejipanga na back to school because we have 3 more weeks to go. And you know, ukitoa the festive season, those days toa kama wiki moja, so we have like 2 weeks to prepare ourselves. 2 weeks ni kidogo sana. Alafu ukikosa kujipanga utapangwa. So mimi niliona the earlier the better. because I have a day off, let me just take advantage, like right now when the kids are not around, nikae chini nifanye hizo covering, making sure like everything, what do we need to replenish, ni tunafaa ku replace, like bags, socks, nini, is everything in order. Kuna vitu zo we out, especially as parents who don't live with our kids. We only like come on weekends and what have you. Sometimes we may miss some things, like some uniforms that need repair. They are not worn out, but they need some minor repairs. Unapata kiatu labda itoshe mtoi. You need to know like what budget are you working with. By now we should be knowing our budgets. We know where we are at in terms of like replacing things and kununua vitu, yeah, and what is ahead of us. Ndio tunajipanga, yeah, ahead of time, ndio burden isikuwe mob, because apart from school these kids have other needs and you also have other needs. So I hope kwenye huko unajipanga, yeah. Aneno nyako moro kae nyinge nga, dongo nyalo mielo ngoma nyinge nga, to pendo nyalo mielo koda nyinge nga, yawa nyinge nga. Aneno nyako moro kae nyinge nga, to dongo nyalo mielo ngoma nyinge nga, to dongo nyalo mielo koda nyinge nga, yawa nyinge nga. Msupu yathini tundi sore mama, oingo nyaro kuyu nichaber nichomukore sana. Baby, unataka ni So being the tallest member of our family, which I'm very proud of, I was tasked with bringing down this banana. As you can see it here, it's so big, it's ready for harvest, and it needs to be ready before, you know, guys come for Christmas, yo. So here's my mom explaining how I'm supposed to go about it, because mimi nilivuna wapi ndizi. There's always a first time of learning everything. Now, here is where the drama started because wacha niwapeleke farm tour kidogo sahi. So ni jioni, it's around 6:30, imagine, na kuna kaa hivi. So hizi ni viazi, ziko hii portion yote hivyo, zinaenda all the way hadi kwa kwenye unaona ka fence kamepita hivi, and then kuna hiyo extension up to ile kitu inakaa live fence huko mwisho all the way. Huku lazima tuweke mandizi, yani hii ndizi sijui mbona i grow. Na venye I have watered this banana plant very religiously hii, lakini no, yeah. So on this side kuna hii avocado tree. Hii avocado tree sijui shida yake inakuanga nini. It has been here for how many years? Is it 2 years? Na haijaizalisha ama haijaiz, si ndio? Ni kuzalisha matunda. Aki, if you know what would be the problem, ebu niambie kwa comment section, because it has been here. Inaenda tu ikigrow too tall but nothing. But I can see, oh my god, ishaanza kufruit. Oh wow, just see. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry, I take back my words. Oh my goodness. Ona hiyo fruiting, unaona? Hey, and still flowering. It's still flowering. Okay, I take back my words. Mbona hii side alafu na nagopa chameleons. I hope hakuna chameleons this time round kwa hizi plants. Wow, it's fruiting guys. It's fruiting. So Yeah, I take back my words. So on this other side, hey, hapa tulikuwa tumeacha nyasi grow for the sake of the sheep. And hapa kuna miwa, nikuisha inaisha, and then kuna ile miwa iko pale, you can see it here. Na kuna yenye nimeacha pale just there, can you see it? Oh yeah. My now, can you see it? It's not so clear. Yeah, kuna hizo miwa. Then wacha twende hivi. Let's go this way. Hapa tuko tumeacha nyasi. We just doing a lot of clearing because now kumekuwa kukinyesha, there's a lot of weeds. Hizi ni nitwaje, zile za sweet potatoes, mireo. Sasa hizi tunachanga for the sake of mbuzi. So we have different portions because imeenda all the way hadi huko, but tukang'oa hizo. So this is, I don't know whether hapa pameplantiwa. Yeah, wacha niwakumbushe kale kashamba kangu ka nini, sukuma. In fact I'm here to get some, lakini tumechuna. What we usually do, sijui nini imenidunga mguu. It's like something has imeni sting. I can feel a sting on my feet now. Ndo hii kashamba, ile kashamba yangu ya sukuma ndo hizi. Zinaka vizuri, but hapa kwa video sijui mweza tokea zikikaa kama zimefade. Yeah, ziko hapo, but hizi tunafikiria kuzing'oa. So mnaona venye zimegrow hadi zimelala chini. Yani hizi zilikuwa za 2022. Yeah, can't remember very well. And then kuna hapa, this is the latest plantation. Is it really plant when? Last week. Is it? Yes. It's last week. Ama last week, but once I guess it's last week. And yeah, as you can see, we are just from watering. And then someone might say, why don't you do mulching and what have you, because of the sun. Mnajua venye kuna waka siku hizi. But for now kuna nyasi ya kuwekelea hapa, but apparently sahi haijakauka vizuri. So you realize ukiekelea ikiwa haijakauka vizuri ina attract pests. Sorry, I keep clearing my throat. In attract pests. So huko wezi kosa vitunguu. You can see we have ini portion ya beans inaenda up to the all the way hadi huko mwisho kwenye unaona like zile trees, but that far end it was a late plantation. So hizi ndio zilipandwa kwanza. Let me zoom out. So you remember me get my pilipili plant, ndio ile sitaki kuingia kwa shamba, ndio hii. But then nilipata zingine ziko na ugonjwa. Oh my god, inakataa kuzoom. I guess ni juu hata lighting ni mbaya. So my spinach ziko hapa. Yeah, and the cabbages are forming. They are forming what? The kibakuli. Yeah, they are now forming, as you can see. Oh my god. So kukinyesha vizuri hii December, we shall be having some cabbages over here. So that's the overview of this portion. So you know, when ukiplant other plants hivi around, like the vegetables like beans ama viazi hivi, as much as zitakompitia what we call nutrients, zina helping in mulching because zinakeana shade. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. So wacha niachie hapo nichune, and then I will see you on the other side in a bit. Aneno nyako moro kae nyinge nga, dongo nyalo mielo ngoma nyinge nga, to kendo nyalo mielo koda nyinge nga, yawa nyinge nga. Aneno nyako moro ziko kubwa. Yo, I just got managu and a bit of spinach. Sasa zisoko kwa maji zioshe, so ndio zikae zikiwa fresh, ready to carry them. So hapa Madheli insist niache nimempikia chapati, like hiyo inakuanga tu kawaida. So today nilikanda unga yangu na cream ya maziwa na maji warm tu, nikaweka chumvi and then nika mix unga ya ngano na hii ya duka. So right about now, I'm doing my hair. Oh my god, that's the progress. And do you? It's about what, 2 in the afternoon. Sijui nitamaliza saa ngapi, but you can see the progress also on this side. Make a 2 lines this side. So I have the back side and the front. Ndo nimalize. I actually am the one who usually do my hair. If it's not me, it's my sister. I never go to the salon, rarely. Rarely. I went to the salon like 3 consecutive times. Being disappointed, I said I'm going to know how to do my hair. Since then, I always do my hair. When you don't have a godanya uko tu, I don't care. As long as I'm satisfied with whatever I do. Yeah. Anywho, thank you for watching this video. I've been saying I'm going to finish this video. It's almost a week later because ya mambo hapa na pale tu, but finally I'm done with this video. So if you've not subscribed, please do subscribe. Nilisikia, by the way, kuna kitu, is it the cold? Tumeita ba, I don't know what to call it in English. Kiswahili inafanyangezo matunda za avocado zianguke. I don't know whether ni tu matunda tumeanza you have seen in the video, ama ni the flowers zianguke, but it has to do something with baridi. If you have a solution for that, especially if it's organic, unajua nowadays tunataka kukatu organic, you let me know in the comment section below. In the meantime, subscribe, like, and comment in this video. Until next time, it's see you and God bless. Bye bye.